Welcome back to Around Mount Vernon. We're getting ready to overlay the pavement on Old Highway 99 South between Blackburn Road and Anderson Road to extend the life of the roadway. Work will start August 10th and is expected to finish September 26th. Crews will be grinding off the top 3 inches of pavement and replacing it with new asphalt. This project also includes ADA upgrades. The city's pavement preservation program, which this project is a part of, is funded by Mount Vernon's Transportation Benefit District. Dike District 3 and the Army Corps of Engineers will be repairing the levee along the north section of the Riverwalk at the end of this month. The project will repair damage caused to the levee during the December 2025 flood event and is an important part of preparing for the next flood season. The Riverwalk will be closed during construction, so please follow the detour along Freeway Drive. Detour signs will be posted.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The new ADA accessible playground at Hillcrest Park is open. Come check out the new equipment for yourself. Several roads will be closed in our downtown core August 15th and 16th for the 3rd annual Valley Fest 3-on-3 basketball tournament. Over 150 teams across various age brackets will compete for a chance to be crowned Valley Fest champion. And finally, dance and listen to music at the Riverwalk Summer Concert Series every Thursday in August. And since you're already here, take the time to visit the shops and restaurants downtown and on the west side. And that's what's going on around Mount Vernon.